Hi, dear students. In this topic, we are going to see inequalities. Okay, so inequalities basically means symbols other than equal to when we use that's an inequality. For example, x less than 3, x greater than 4, y less than or equal to 10, or p greater than or equal to 100, okay, or x not equal to 1, anything other than this equal to symbol we say inequality. Now how to read that? Look at this, how we will read x is less than y. How to read this? X greater than y. And this one, x is less than or equal to y. And this one, x greater than or equal to y. And this one, x not equal to y. You should know how to read them. Now, some exercise questions. Write these inequalities in words. So, how this will be? X is less than 9. Y is greater than or equal to 5. Like this, you should write. Okay, so I will just say here you need to write P is not equal to 9. 12 is less than or equal to Q. You should write all them in words. Next one, write one of the sign to make each of the following statements true. This is simple. What is 8 times 8? So we need to put some symbols here, less than or greater than. We need to put some symbols there by calculating. 8 times 8 is 64. And what is 47 plus 19? 66. So it is, this one is greater. Now look at this one. 15 square. 15 square means 225. Now 25 into 7 is 175. So this is greater. Like that. Okay. Now show each of the following inequalities on the number line. Now an inequality is given. You need to draw that on the number line. Number line means a line which we represent the numbers. X greater than or equal to 7. So the value of x is greater than 7. Greater than 7 means 8, 9, those values. So towards the right side. So draw a line here. Use your ruler like this. Now, look at the symbol x greater than 7, x greater than or equal to 7. What's the difference between these two symbols? If there is greater than or equal to, that means x can take the value including 7 and 8 and 9 and everything between all this. But x greater than 7 means 7 is not included. This means x value starting from 7.1 or from 8, 9, 10 goes on. 7 is not included. So x greater than 7. 7 is not included. Put an open circle there. X less than 12. So the value of x is less than 12. Less than means it will including 11, 10, 9 towards the left side. Put an arrow. Now less than 12. So 12 is included? No, if 12 is included, they will write x less than or equal to 12. Here equal to symbol is not there, only less than. So there should be an open circle over here. Now the other one. 3 greater than x. So 3 is greater than x. Or you reverse it. X less than 3. So x value is less than 3 or 3 is greater. All other values is less than 3. So towards here. Now is 3 included? No. Put an open circle. Another question. The value of a. Okay, I'll show you one more thing. If the question was like this, x less than or equal to 3, then when we are drawing, we will shade the circle. It will be a closed circle. Okay, otherwise an open circle. Now show each of the following inequalities on number line. 5 less than a less than 9. This means the value of a is between 5 and 9. So 5 is here, 9 is here. Between 5 and 9. Now is 5 included? No. Open circle. Is 9 included? No. Open circle. This is how we are drawing. It's a simple work. Another one. 5 less than or equal to b less than 7. Okay. So the value of b is between 5 and 7. Check, is it included 5? Yes, you can see the symbol is less than or equal to. So it's a closed circle, means 5 is included. But what about the case of 7? It's only less than 7. So 7 is not included. That should be an open circle there. Like that. Okay? I hope that's clear. Now, opposite. The number line, the line is given. We need to write what's the inequality. Write the inequality shown each of the following number lines using the given letter. Okay, letter is also given. We have to use the letter A. See, it's between minus 1 and 1. So we can say minus 1 less than A less than 1. This means A is between minus 1 and 1. Now, are they included? See, open circle. So we are correct. If it's closed circle, we should use the letter less. We should use the symbol less than or equal to. So that's the answer. Now look at the second one. The value, the letter should be B, and the value is between minus 5 and the plus 5. So minus 5 less than B less than 5. But you see, this is an open circle and here it's a closed circle. So the symbol is less than or equal to 5. Like that. I hope that's clear. Okay. And this one is the statement is given. Okay, we will read the question. Rewrite each of the following sentences as an inequality using the correct inequality sign. Choose a suitable letter to represent unknown in case. To go to a particular university, a student must be at least 17-year-old and not more than 60-year-old. See, you have to go to university for higher studies. You have an age limit. Either you should be at least 17 years. So you can be 17 years, you can be 18 years, 19 years and more. Or not more than 16 years. Write this as an inequality. As it's the case of university, I am giving the letter U. You can give any letter. So I will say 17 less than or equal to U less than or equal to 60. Okay, why I choose less than or equal to? Because they are saying at least 17 years. You can be 17 years or you can be more. And 60 years, you should not be more than 60. So you can be 60, not more than that. You can be 60. So you have to understand it and choose the symbol. We'll look at another one. To go to scuba diving, a person must be at least 120 centimeter tall or not taller than 1.8 meter. Okay, one is given as centimeter and one is given as meter. So basic knowledge, you should write both in the same unit. Okay, I prefer both in centimeter or both in meter, up to us. So 120 centimeter and 1.8 meter means multiply with 100. One decimal point is there, so 10 and decimal will go, and then 180 centimeter. Okay, so 120. This is scuba diving, so I'm giving D less than or equal to D less than or equal to 180. Like this, we are converting the given sentence to an inequality. Now, solving inequality. This is same as solving an equation. X minus 3 less than or equal to 8. So that's given in the question. Now we need x alone. What we used to do, plus 3 will go to the other side. X less than or equal to 8 plus 3. X less than or equal to 11. See, if it's this is the question, equal to 8, how we will do? It's the same. Only thing, instead of equal to, it is less than or equal to. Actually, there is a new rule if it's a negative number, but don't bother that now. Okay? Now second question. X plus 5 is greater than 1. So x we need alone plus 5, let it go here, that becomes minus 5. So x greater than 1 minus 5. X greater than 6. This is a simple topic. We will look at one more example. Okay, we will look at question 5. So 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than 5. So list out who are with x. Very close to x is 2. After that, there is a minus 1. After that, there is a division 3. So the one which is far from x move first. So first you move this division 3 which becomes multiplication 3. 2x minus 1 greater than 5 multiply 3. 2x minus 1 greater than 5 multiply 3 is 15. Now which one we will move? Minus 1 becomes plus 1. So 2x greater than 15 plus 1. 2x greater than 16. Now which one we will move? 2. 2 is multiplication here. That becomes division. So x greater than 16 divided by 2. X greater than 8. It is the same as we solve a simple linear equation. I hope the chapter is clear. Solve more questions by yourself and watch the videos again for the topic you feel difficulty. Message me your doubts. All the best. Thank you.